Hello friends. In this video, we will learn how to use the job management page. Render jobs are sorted by submitting time, and their current status is shown in different colors. The color of the job in progress is green. The color of the completed job is blue. And the color of the job that failed is red. Let's continue with the job in progress. You can see the amount of credit it has spent so far, the estimated amount of credit it will spend, and with how many cores the job continues. Priority refers to the render farm job pool. The most economical option, low priority, is the default job pool. When the low priority job pool is busy, higher priority job pools are selected in order not to wait for the queue. If the progress of the job is slow for your deadline, you can increase the priority. Servers that complete other jobs in the low priority job pool priorly start your job. Using the control buttons, you can stop a job in progress and resume a stopped job. After your job is completed, the render images are compressed into a single file and the download button becomes active. If your job failed, the warning button becomes active, and when you click, you can see the warning message in the pop-up window. In this window, you can click the OK button to delete the warning report and re-queue the job. Or you can also request troubleshooting. The deleted button is active in all cases. It cancels the job in any condition and deletes it from the list. When the down arrow button is clicked, the task list of the job is open. The current status of all the tasks in the list is also shown in different colors. After completing a task, they resume. The servers start to the next task in the queue, and this job management continues in a sustainable manner. Tasks can be checked individually or in batch. We can suspend all tasks in batch and wait for only a few tasks to be completed. After downloading and checking the completed render images, other tasks can also be taken in the job queue in batch. Render jobs are moved to the job history page 24 hours after completion. On the job history page, you can download render images completed within 14 days. As required by the security policy, your files are permanently deleted after this period.